Naku, tanggaan na. Naku,
Bumato ng bola si Strotes.
frustrated na ito si Strotters.
Palagi ko nga, naubusan to si Strotes ng gasolina. Strotes.
Naku,
Nag-iimbento. Baka sumusuko na itong San Miguelito. Fields. Pinapogi na konti. Sunny Alvarado. Flexing his muscle after the shot. And the lead is up to 19 points.
naku, tanggaan na. Naku,
Bumato ng bola si Strotes.
frustrated na ito si Strotters.
Masama pagkakasahod kay Strotes and he's feeling the heat, no? Una-una, meron daw siyang iniindang injury. Pero sa first few minutes kanina, hindi siya nagpapakita ng iniindang injury. Si Sunny Alvarado motioning to his bench. Tinatabik ang balikan niya asking for a substitution.
Medyo napagod na rin dahil yung kahit na ginawa niya rito, grabe.
Strotes, bumangga kay Alvarado. And finally, a foul. All by Varela.
Ito sila mga Strotters, ano, may tendency rin mag-init ito. Pero ang nangyayari kasi, he's taking his teammates out of the offense and taking over by himself.
Si Alvarado merong problema though he had an explosion, and what an explosion dito sa second half. A total of 19 points para kay Alvarado, 15 coming in the third quarter, 15 of them, all of them coming in the third quarter. Alvarado has 5 personal fouls. With 9 minutes 6 seconds na nalabay sa ating laban, Coach Cheng. Anong itsura ng San Miguel dito? Though this is still a long ways to go, sabi nga nila.
Medyo sinasabi mo kanina, ICU. Naku, siguro yun talaga description dito. ICU ang San Miguel dito. At kailangan magkasunod-sunod ng mga 3-point shots nila at turnovers naman ng Tanduay.